How to change your country on Reddit phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your country on Reddit. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit, and now you will find this page. Now you click on the avatar on the top corner like this, and then we go down to settings. After that, you click on account settings. Wait a few seconds, and now we click on country. After you click country, now you can change to the country that you live in. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.